You can understand almost every English sentence. But the moment someone tells a joke and the whole room laughs, you're lost. Today, that changes. I've got 10 English jokes, easy to hard, plus one bonus at the end. If you get all of them, your English is basically native level. Let's see how many you catch. Tell us your score in the comments. Most English jokes work the same way. One word, two meanings, and you have to catch both at the same time to get the joke. It's a genuinely advanced listening skill. So, don't worry if some of these take you a second. Let's start easy. Why did the golfer bring 2 pairs of pants? In case he got a hole-in-one. A hole-in-one is the golf term for a perfect shot, but it also means literally a hole in his pants. I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. Y is the letter, but it also sounds exactly like why, meaning the reason. Why did the boy bring a ladder to school? He wanted to go to high school. High school is just the name of a school. But high also literally means tall, so he needed a ladder to reach it. I used to be a baker, but I couldn't make enough dough. Dough is literally the bread mixture bakers work with, but dough is also slang for money. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Outstanding means excellent, but it also literally means standing out in a field, which is exactly where a scarecrow stands. Why did the ghost go to the party? Because he heard it was going to be a real scream. A scream is what a ghost does. But a real scream is also an expression meaning something is really fun and funny. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Salad dressing is literally what goes on a salad. But dressing also means getting changed, which would embarrass anyone who saw it, tomato included. Why do bees have such neat hair? Because they use a honeycomb. A honeycomb is the structure bees build inside a hive, but a comb is also literally the tool you use to style your hair. I told my computer I needed a break, and it wouldn't stop sending me chocolate. A break means a pause from work, but breaking a chocolate bar into pieces is also literally called taking a break off it. I entered 10 puns into a contest, hoping one would win. Sadly, no pun intended. This one's about the phrase, no pun intended. Said out loud fast. No pun intended sounds exactly like it. Bonus joke. If you get this one without the explanation, you're thinking in English already. I stayed up all night wondering where the sun went. Then it dawned on me. It dawned on me is an expression meaning you suddenly realize something. But dawn is also literally the moment the sun rises. So, how many did you actually get? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you caught most of these, your English is further along than you think. Subscribe! Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.